nakakapagod, nakakainis, things are not going your way, halos lahat mali-mali na lang, and sumasakit ang ulo mo, and it seems that blessing has left you. Alam mo kung bakit? You forgot to be grateful. Marami kasi sa atin na we always think of things ahead na kung, alam mo yung negative thinking ka na or iniisip mo na yung mga, naging pessimistic ka na. The reason why, it's because you forgot to be grateful, nakalimutan mong magpasalamat. Kanino ka magpapasalamat? Kung hindi ka naniniwala sa Diyos, just be thankful to the things around you. Magpasalamat ka sa mga kaibigan mo or kahit hindi mo sila papasalamatan directly but you say thank you. Sabihin mo lang yung magical word na thank you. Ihinga mo. And you know, magical things happens when you say thank you. Pag gratitude is pag yung attitude mo is gratitude. Mapasalamatin, yan, yung pinaka madali nating pwedeng gawin at nakakapagpa-change ng perspective natin sa buhay, especially pag mabigat ang araw or pag mabigat na ang problema. And magical solutions come along your way. I-try nyo yan. And if you like what we're doing here sa Chakoy, and if you like this 30-day challenge, please gawin nyo rin. And if you like what you are watching right now, please give us a thumbs up and then comment down below and give us some topics, kahit words, one word na pwede nating pag-usapan dito. But this is our 30-day challenge and we're on 5th day. Day 5 na tayo. Thank you for watching. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo.